Set on the historic east side of Providence, this charming Wayland Square colonial was originally built circa 1900 and has been thoughtfully updated over the years to blend all of its original details with modern renovations. The lovely main entrance welcomes you into an inviting living room featuring a brick fireplace and beautiful hardwood floors found throughout the home. The adjoining sunroom is a relaxing space drenched with natural light from its walls of windows looking out to the yard. A pair of French doors off the living area lead into a formal dining room with textured walls, providing an elegant atmosphere for hosting dinner events. Recently updated with granite countertops, subway tile backsplash, and new stainless steel appliances, the connected eat-in kitchen also includes a sunny built-in breakfast nook, perfect for enjoying morning meals. Outside, the fenced-in backyard provides a private oasis, complete with a brick patio and a gorgeous gazebo where you can entertain guests or just sit and appreciate the surrounding tranquility. Back inside, the second floor supplies a tiled full bath and a pair of bedrooms, highlighted by an expanded master with its own private sitting room and large walk-in closet. Continuing up the stairs, the upper level provides an additional bedroom as well as a newly designed full bath with a marble vanity and clawfoot tub. The two-car garage supplies plenty of protected parking, while the home's prime location offers easy access to a wealth of amenities. Enjoy morning runs along the Blackstone Boulevard path, or take a short walk to all the local shops and cafes of Wayland Square. Located within walking distance of several nearby city parks, the home is also just a mile from several local and private schools, as well as all the dining opportunities along Hope Street. Just minutes from the nightlife and entertainment of downtown Providence, convenient access to the interstate and train station allows for easy travel throughout Rhode Island and nearby Massachusetts. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Kira Green at area code 401-339-5621.